Hi guys, this is the unboxing video of Acer C720 Chromebook, and I got this Chromebook just now from the UPS guy, and I know that it's selling like hotcakes on Amazon, so I thought that I should post this unboxing video. By the way, this is my first unboxing video. So I ordered this on the 17th. I pre-ordered it on the 17th or 18th, and I uh, got the Amazon started shipping it on the 20th, and I was the lucky few who got it, because now it's again we are back to pre-ordering, and now it's about 2 to 3 weeks late. So this is the Chromebook, and nice packing. So I hope Chromebook C7, and it says C720, and and made in China. So yeah, it says I have to break the seal. That's good. And so this is the box. So this is the Acer C720, the latest one. Now we've got, what we got over here is the setup guide. It says what all is there. It says to connect to the power and turn on the Chromebook, whatever. So this is the manual, and that's a charger. Pretty neat charger. And that's the plug, wall socket, and this is the Chromebook. Oh, it is quite light, not bad, looks beautiful and pretty neat. So the Chrome, and it's got a Kensington lock, a USB, a SD card reader. In the front we've got this lights for things, and on the right side we have an HDMI port, the power cable, and a mic with headphone, and a USB cable. So underneath we've got some vents. Probably it has a fan, I'm not really sure. And it's got, yeah, it says Acer. Yeah, well, so that's what it is. Now we're gonna, so this is the unboxing basically, and I'll just open it in a second and let you know. So now I'll open it up and see, we've got this protector here, and that's a matte finish and looks good. And this is I really don't like all these, but it's good. So that's this, the frame is kind of really glossy, but the screen looks matte. It's a nice trackpad, I should say, and it's Intel processor. Says Intel inside. It's because it's the latest Haswell technology, and says 7 seconds boot up, 8.5 hours battery life. It's got an SSD drive and free apps and security and automatic updates, and 100 GB of Google Drive and all that virus protection. So that's about it. With it's got a built-in webcam, and let me just try and start it. So this is the first ever, nothing happened. So I guess I need to put my charger on it and then start. I'm hooking up the charger here. So right, and I press. Okay, so here it is, Chrome. Oh, we are all up and all set. So this is how much time it takes. I think it took me 3 seconds or so. So I think rest of it is just the basic Chrome. If there is anything else, so I would post a video about it. But that's the unboxing, and I was really impressed by the speed. It just took me 3 seconds for the first time starting, so I guess it's amazing. And thank you very much, guys, for watching, and take care. And I'll keep on posting if there is anything I come to know more about it. Okay, bye bye.